In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add SSL in Bluehost. Whether you're aiming to optimize security or enhance your visitors' trust, understanding how to implement SSL is crucial. Let's dive right in and make your website more secure. First, you'll want to log into your Bluehost account. Head over to the Bluehost login page. Enter the credentials associated with your account. This step is straightforward, but if you encounter any trouble, double-check your username and password, or feel free to use the Forgot Password link to reset it. Once you successfully log in, navigate to the next step by clicking on the Websites tab in the left-hand menu. This tab is your gateway to accessing the management tools for the websites you have hosted with Bluehost. Once you've clicked on the Websites tab, you should see a list of all the websites you're managing. Now, select the website for which you want to enable SSL. This is a crucial step because SSL certificates are site-specific, meaning each one is attached to a particular domain. Simply click on the website's name or URL to select it. If you have multiple sites, make sure you're choosing the correct one that requires the SSL certificate. After selecting your website, it's time to access the security settings. To do this, click on the Security tab. This section offers a variety of security-enhancing features, with the SSL option nestled among them. Exploring this tab can also familiarize you with other security measures you might want to consider in the future. Now comes the heart of the process: activating the SSL. Beneath the SSL Certificates section, you'll find the free SSL option. Simply toggle this option to ON. Keep in mind that enabling SSL might take a few moments, but once it's active, your site will be visibly more secure to its visitors. Alternatively, there is another way to activate SSL if you prefer. Click on the Manage button next to the SSL card. This opens up more detailed management options for SSL deployment. Then, go ahead and click the Activate button to turn on SSL for your site. And there you have it. You've successfully added an SSL certificate to your Bluehost website. This will not only encrypt the data transferred to and from your site, but also provide a boost to your SEO and offer your visitors the assurance they deserve when engaging with your content. Remember, security is not just an option, but a necessity. If you have any questions or need further assistance, Bluehost's support team is always available to help you. Thanks for watching, and here's to safer browsing.